Na momento que o Ritz Carlton está start a operação, está interessante passar com a operação aqui, lo afetar a temporada turístico. Ritz Carlton tem confiança de abrir um hotel que cumpre com norma alta de qualidade. A horta sinaleu para fazer negócio na Aruba, pero já para tempo a Binita planeia a ocupação inicial do hotel. Diretor executivo de AHATA está dando uma impressão com o assunto aqui.
In September, I believe it was in September, they opened up their direct booking website. So ritzcarlton.com was then opened up for anybody who wanted to book from November the 22nd onwards. But they're not accepting any business from tour operators until February the 1st, and they're not accepting any group bookings until February the 1st. So what will happen is that in December, late November, December and January, the only business will be that which is booked directly over the website. So probably they will be running maybe 40% occupancy, but high-rated business because it's coming in through the direct channel.
Essa aqui te dá uma oportunidade de manejar o hotel na menos que 50% de ocupação, para assim por sincronizar tour operação melhor. Na Februário, lo abre o hotel para tour operator e para esse que está vende viagem incentivo. Pero a AHATA está calificar Ritz Carlton como grande adição para Aruba.
The whole idea, the strategy is that the property will command a higher rate, and it will bring in a customer who is willing to pay at that higher rate. And typically what happens when a hotel like that opens, the other properties will improve themselves to keep pace with that. I know that's happened in other destinations where a top-end hotel has come in. So it's going to be, I think, a positive for the destination.